I'm Sam with the Wilsonville Public Library, and I'm here to show you what you may found in your Kindergarten Carnival packet, a Mars helicopter. We found this craft at NASA, their Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and you can pull this out of your bag. You can make this craft at home. All you'll need are scissors, and if you want some crayons to color or markers, whatever you like to color with, but that's totally not necessary. You can just use scissors to cut this out, and I'm going to show you how to do it here.